Back everyone. We've got just a couple of clouds in the sky looking off to the west on our Coronado Skycam. Aside from those, we have sunny conditions across most of the region, and it's another warm day after a brief cool down yesterday. We're now at 88 degrees here in Fargo with the help of some gusty winds out of the southeast, pulling in some warmer air, gusting to 35 miles per hour. 84 in Moorhead, 87 Grand Forks, with wind out of the south gusting to 35 miles per hour. A little cooler in northwestern Minnesota with 70s, 81 in Baudette and Thief River Falls. But the hottest spot is down in Sisseton, South Dakota, just like it has been the last several days, now at 90 degrees. And we have a southerly wind that has really helped to warm us up compared to the last 24 hours or so, gusting to 32 in Jamestown, 35 in Bismarck. But even right through the central Red River Valley, that's where we're seeing the strongest gusts of 35 miles per hour. Satellite and radar looking fairly quiet. Again, most of us seeing some sunny skies this afternoon, but we have a few clouds, some cumulus clouds that have been developing in southeastern North Dakota. Those may turn into some showers or thunder showers a little later this evening, here over the next few hours. After around the dinner time hour is the timeline, the way it's looking right now. So a small thunder chance just west of the Red River Valley. Aside from that, we stay warm this evening. Temperatures falling into the 60s through the overnight hours for most of us. A couple of 50s out to the east and clearing skies. But the wind, it stays just like yesterday, just like last night and today. The wind not going anywhere, so get friendly with it here over the next several days. Wind ramps up again tomorrow afternoon, gusting over 35 miles per hour for some folks in the afternoon. Temperatures also looking like another warm day with 80s for most. Wouldn't be surprised. A couple folks south, like Sisseton, seeing another day in the 90s. Late in the day, some thunderstorms develop, but they're looking to be out in the western part of the state. So heads up if you're traveling that way for your Memorial Day weekend. Here's a snapshot of your hometown forecast. 4 o'clock, upper 70s, low 80s to the east. Mid to upper 80s through the Central Valley, low to mid 80s across eastern North Dakota. Looking ahead for your Memorial Day weekend, Saturday still looking windy, highs near 90 degrees, mostly sunny. Still hotter yet on Sunday. That's when more folks pushing the 90-degree mark, still windy, with isolated storms developing late before scattered storms expected on Monday, but another hot day. So the heat and the wind are going to be sticking with us. Here's Memorial Day on the 29th, and after that, we continue to climb a few days. So we're alerting you to even more heat in the forecast. Check out June 1st. That's on Thursday, 95 degrees, and we stay in the 90s until Bobby, the first weekend of June. We tone things back just a little bit into the 80s, which would still be above average.
But a 95, but somebody said it yesterday, at least there's no 100.
Yet.
Not yet. Exactly, but a 95, yeah. Get the sunscreen out as well.
Idea. And lots of water.
Exactly. Good tips. Summer, thank you. Well, now on Negative Watch, why one credit agency is sounding the alarm when it comes to the nation's credit rating.